it's Tuba Billy heading to urgent care for my burn up fingers on my spitting and sputtering motorcycle. Oh, what a day. I don't know what is wrong with the motorcycle, but it has gotten pretty bad. But heading to urgent care to get, oops, I just passed it. To get my hand looked at. I mean, as soon as I can park, I'll let you see it, because it don't look too fun. It doesn't feel too fun either. But I think I'm going to find out where the entrance is. Right there, there it is. And now I get to find parking. There's one. Awesome. So, this is what a splash of 400-degree grease will do. Funnel cake oil. Blistered the skin right away. Definitely not fun. So, please, just be excellent to each other. Tuba Billy, signing out. God be with you till we meet again.